Hi YouTube, and welcome back to the channel Retail Investing and Trading. And in today's video I'll be following up on my last video where I said why am I not taking this highly profitable bad pattern today. That video happened yesterday and I had good reasons. And although right now we are moving towards our targets on this pattern, I'm still thinking that I did a good thing. Actually, I'm not thinking. I would do that the same thing all over again every time. Okay, so as you know, conventional targets are from the A B C D X A B C D. So you gotta move your FIPS from A to the completion leg, and then the first target is at 38 FIB level. I'm gonna remove our previous FIPS here to show you the target. So we are few pips away. I mean, maybe we are not few. How many pips? We are 18 pips away, but already 40 pips in profit on a bad trade that I did not take yesterday. And although a lot of people can now say, hey man, yeah, your content sucks, you didn't take a profitable trade, and even worse, you documented it and put it live on the YouTube so that everybody else can see that. The thing is that I did exactly what I should have done, and I'm happy because I don't feel guilty about it. You can say that I'm sure that you heard about the book One Good Trade from Mike Bellafury from S&B Capital, prop trading firm on Wall Street. And if you read that book, you will see that they value their trades not based on the outcome of the trade. They're revaluing and overviewing their previous trades based on the rules and on the process. Did they follow their process, their rules, their fundamental analysis, everything that they're doing there in order to make a trade? And if you did follow that process, is everything is aligned according to your process, to your plan, then uh, even if you take a trade and the price hits your stop loss, you took one good trade. And your whole goal as a trader is basically taking one good trade after another, one good trade after another, one good trade, and then one good trade, and then one good trade. And in my case, I didn't took this trade because if I took it, it wouldn't be a one good trade. Even though it could still look, it might hit a target 1, and it also might hit target 2. But even if it hit those targets, and even if I were engaged in that trade, and then I would make some kind of a profit, in the long run, I made some kind of a damage to my trading because I didn't follow my rules. And my rules were simple. And they were proven by my backtesting results. Okay, so they were not proven, they were backed by my backtesting results. And the rules are saying don't take bad patterns that are don't take bad patterns after 4 p.m. Okay, I'll have to check out the Excel spreadsheet on the backtesting results, but I believe it was after 4 p.m. If I took it, although I might make some profit, it wouldn't be a good trade, and I would need to put it in my journal as a mistake. And as an average trader needs to journal everything, and we need to aim and lean towards that we don't have any mistakes in trading, or at least to have very few of them. I'm happy that I'm not engaged in this, for now what it seems, a profitable bad pattern. I hope that this again has have sense to you guys, as it has. Finally, after a year of backtesting and after 3 years of struggling in Forex, as it has to me. If not, I understand, but maybe rewatch it again. Try to understand the concepts of trading. Try to understand the concepts of backtesting. Just don't hop on system from system from system. Don't chase the shiny object, because a lot of people that are posting these profits online are firstly not using, a lot of people are not using risk management, money management. They don't have a backtested strategy. Let them show you historically equity curve of their backtesting results. Let's see what their system actually produced historically in the course of 7 years, and show them one trade of their system and ask them, did you took this trade? And if not, why didn't you? Because when you backtest, you need to take everything, every trade that match your rules, because you don't know the end result. You don't know the end result. And if it match your rules, you have to take it. This one did not match my rules, so I didn't take it. With that being said, click that subscribe button and click that bell button so that the mighty YouTube algorithm can rank our videos and share them with more people. Just kidding, but yeah, you can hit that like button and click that subscribe button. Anyways, I wanted to say, with that being said, thank you very much again for watching this video. I hope you find it valuable. Share it, like it, subscribe to this channel, guys, and see you soon. Bye bye.